Welcome to TaxTron web tutorial video series. Today, we will guide you through the process of printing a Quebec remittance slip if you owe taxes to Revenue Quebec. To begin, log into the TaxTron web platform. Navigate to the T1 Client section, open an existing client, and select New Return. Ensure that the province of return is set to Quebec and choose the appropriate tax year. Complete the Personal Information section accurately, including marital status, gender for Quebec province, and prescription drug insurance details, and click Next. Navigate to the Income section from the left navigation bar and respond to the question, "Did you work in 2023?" Proceed by selecting the tile labeled T4 and RL1. Fill in all the necessary details in the T4 slips, ensuring you provide all required entries. When prompted, confirm receipt of a Quebec Relève 1 for this employment income. Typically, if you worked in Quebec, you should receive this form. Once confirmed, you'll notice automatic data entries populating, with the only manual entry required in box E. If you check the top left summary section, you'll notice the Quebec summary displaying a balance owing of $5,509.53. Next, let's proceed to printing the QC remittance slip. Head over to Review and File in the left navigation bar. Click on QC Remittance, Balance Due. Respond Yes to the question, do you want to print a remittance slip to pay Revenue Quebec? The balance due will appear automatically, but you'll need to confirm the remitted amount by entering it in the provided text box. Additionally, indicate whether you intend to make the payment within 5 days or later from the filing date. Choose your preferred payment method, financial institution, check, or online banking. Finally, re-enter the payment amount in the provided box. To obtain the QC remittance slip, download the MRQ record-keeping file. The remittance slip will be the first page of the downloaded file. With this, you are all set with your QC remittance slip. This is our quick overview of paying balance due in Quebec. We will see you in the next video where we will understand Quebec tax credits and benefits. Till then, stay tuned.